They're not disappearing as much as they're growing more slowly right now.
Jobs in Alberta are exceeding pre-pandemic levels, but it's part-time jobs that are growing at a much faster rate than full-time positions. Economists say there are plenty of reasons why.
Hospitality industries still haven't fully recovered, and so they're continuing to add workers. And if you think about who works at hotels or bars or restaurants, they tend to be part-time people.
Whether it's in the tourism industry or retail, employment in the province is growing in 2022. Data from the first 3 months shows a surplus of 20,000 part-time jobs compared to an increase of just over 2,000 full-time positions. Holden says it's the young workforce that is spearheading the growth.
Kids who are working under 25 have seen their employment increase faster than those other groups. And again, typically young people tend to be employed part-time.
He says men over 55 are having a tough time finding employment, and part-time workers in that age group have nearly doubled since the start of the pandemic. Compared to the rest of the country, Alberta women are filling part-time roles at a much higher rate than men. 27.6% of working women fill part-time roles, more than doubling the number of men working part-time at 11.4%.
One of the challenges that we face when we're trying to come up to a full economic recovery in the province is whether women have access, especially mothers have access to childcare.
As the federal government's agreement with Alberta to provide $10 a day childcare is implemented, Holden says more parents will feel comfortable entering the workforce in part-time positions, as Albertans look for balance in a post-COVID restrictions labor force.
Hard to tell in those cases what's a choice and what's a necessity based on your own personal life and your experience and even how you're dealing with COVID.
In Calgary, Jillian Code, City News.